Hello children, we have already started with chapter number 3, that is understanding quadrilaterals of standard 8. We have studied about the properties of the interior angles of given polygon. Now we are heading towards the next property, that is exterior angle property of a polygon. Here we are going to study about the exterior angles. So what we have done here is we have extended one of the sides, and the angle which is now shown is called as exterior angles. We have more figures like this, so that's exterior angle. We can extend the figure at the side on the other side also, and we get exterior angles. So these are 3 exterior angles, another 3 on the other side. That's a quadrilateral. Go on extending the sides clockwise and get the exterior angles, or anti-clockwise. This is actually clockwise and the earlier was anti-clockwise. So you will get another set of exterior angles. So whatever the number of interior angles are, the number of exterior angles will be all same. Now we are showing out or finding out the total sum of all the exterior angles. So these are the angles, total angles. Exterior angle is formed when a side of a polygon is produced. We went on extending and we got the exterior angle. There are those many exterior angles as many interior angles for a polygon. For four-sided polygon, 4 exterior angles will be there and 4 interior angles will be there. Exterior angle and interior angles always form a linear pair, that is, they are supplementary. Now the property is shown here. So we have 4 exterior angles. Now they are being shown by various colors. Now let us take each and every angle and let us try to keep them aside. So one by one you can see they are being kept near each other and we get a circle. A complete circle is made. That means the sum of all the exterior angles comes out to be 360 degrees. This is what we conclude. Sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. The next is regarding the regular polygons. For a given regular polygon, all exterior angles have equal measure. If it is a regular polygon, all the interior angles will be of the same measure. That is why the exterior angles also will measure the same. Now we come upon a formula, a very small one, wherein we are finding out the measure of each exterior angle. It is always equal to 360 divided by n, for n as the number of sides of a regular polygon. This formula holds true for regular polygons only. If there are n number of sides of a regular polygon, measure of each exterior angle will be 360 upon n. So if it is a 5-sided regular polygon, that is a regular pentagon, the measure of each exterior angle will be 360 upon 5. This is how the measure is found out. Let us continue with more examples related to this formula. Here we are starting with exercise 3.2, wherein we are going to use the exterior angle property of a quadrilateral or any polygon, and we are going to use the formula of finding out the measure of each angle of a regular polygon. find x in the following figure. Now here if we check the figure, if we go through the figure properly, we will see that all the angles which we are talking about are exterior angles, and we have studied that the sum of the exterior angle of a polygon, it is always 360 degrees. So 125 plus 125 plus x equal to 360 degrees. When we find or when we solve it, we get the value of x to be equal to 110 degrees. More examples to follow. Here, if we check out, we'll see that all the exterior angles are again given, as one was not given directly, but its interior angle is given, that is 90 degrees. So we can easily find out the measure of angle A. So we find out measure of angle A to be equal to 90 degree. This is how we get the figure as having two angles as 90 degree, two exterior angles to be 90 degrees, one angle 60 and one angle 70. Only we have to find out x. We all know that the sum of all the exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees. So we have substituted the values and we have got the value of x to be equal to 50 degrees. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. Here the polygon is a regular polygon and we have to find out the measure of each exterior angle. We do have a formula. The formula is measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon is 360 divided by n, where n is the number of sides for the given regular polygon. This is what the formula is. Now if the figure is a 9-sided regular polygon, 360 will be divided by 9, and the value 360 comes from the fact that sum of all the exterior angle is always 360 degree. So each angle for this polygon will measure 40 degrees. More examples. Again, it's a 15-sided figure. So the formula is 360 divided by 15. And the answer is 24 degrees. With this, we come to the end of this video. We have done a lot of examples. We are going to deal with more examples in the coming videos. Thank you for now. Goodbye.